Hey everyone, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in this video, I want to go over 3 important lines attaining to your beard. Now before we get this video started, make sure to go down into the description, check out RDS Man's new body scrub. It's exfoliating, it's fresh, it's fun. Now as we grow our beard from the first month into the second month, we have some new hurdles to get over, right? Now with this video, the 3 places that I want to go over are going to be spots on our face that we need to reference every time we are trimming up our cheek line, our sideburns, and our lip line, okay? That's our mustache, our cheek, and our sideburns, right? Now I'm gonna take a pen, I'm gonna show you 3 places that work for me, and in do so, that will work for you. So you need to find out 3 spots that work for your face. You've all seen it with women and their eyebrows. They usually have it lined up so that way everything's pretty symmetrical. But on this, what we're gonna do is for us men, right? We wanna do some certain points on our face. So for me right here, it's going to be the bottom of my lobe, and that's gonna end right on my sideburn, okay? The second point that I wanna reference to is the side of my cheek, and the third reference point is going to be the top of my lobe. So these are the 3 places where I want my lines to work. Now, depending on if you want a curved cheek line, we actually can use these 2 points right here, and then we can dive a little deeper into that cut. That gives you a better curve into your cheek line. In doing so, these are the 3 spots where I'm gonna trim, shave, and I'm gonna clean up my beard. So first reference, right? This is where I'm going to trim and I'm going to clean up. It's gonna be the top of my sideburn. Second, we're gonna do the low, and that's where we're gonna match up the line from the bottom of my cheek line to the top of my cheek line right here. So we're gonna take the razor out, we're gonna start from the lip, and we're just gonna move it up to the cheek. And then we're gonna follow that line all the way to the top of the lobe. It's very simple, but it keeps you consistent through your growth. As the time goes on, for months and months to end, we can always change them. There's gonna be some mishaps, right? We're gonna cut too low, we're not gonna trim enough, and there's gonna be some variables in our beard game. But if we stick to these lines and these points, you're always gonna have a consistent looking beard. So let me know what you guys think. Give it a shot, go at it. Don't be afraid to try new things. With that, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!